In your RPE kit, you will find a blower unit, a battery, a belt, a filter, a flow tester, and a charging kit. It is important to inspect your components before use for any damage. Visually inspect your blower unit. Visually inspect your battery. Visually inspect your filter. While particulate filters are used by themselves, chemical filters are used in multiples and require adapters to work. Check your filter's use-by date. To assemble your kit, connect the battery to the blower unit as shown. Note the witness tabs on the unit and the corresponding tabs on the filter. Screw the filter onto the blower unit firmly. You should feel a click as the witness tab on the filter passes over the corresponding tab on the unit. Press the power button to turn on and a green light will appear. To turn off, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. If the filter becomes blocked, an alarm will sound and an orange light will appear. To check that the unit is functioning properly, you should use the flow tester unit provided. Connect the flow tester by aligning the arrows and twisting as shown. Power the unit on and wait. If the inner part rises to show the writing underneath, the flow is good. To assemble the belt, thread the belt strap through the slits on the unit. Slide the hoop onto the end of the belt and thread the buckle onto the belt from back to front as shown. Clip together to check. Next we need to connect the head top and hose. Place one of the clear plastic washers onto the end of the hose and push the end of the hose through the hole in the rear of the head top. Place the other plastic washer over the hose end and fasten the end cap on top to secure. If done correctly, the hose should be able to swivel freely as shown. Inspect the head top to ensure there are no rips or tears and that all seams are in good order. Connect the head top and hose to the blower unit and fasten the belt around your waist with the blower unit positioned at your back. Turn the unit on and don the head top. When doffing, remove the head top before turning the unit off. Hold the power button for 3 seconds, unfasten the belt and remove. Disconnect the hose from the blower unit and unscrew the filter. You will notice that the witness tab will snap as the filter is detached. This signifies that the filter has been used. Now remove the battery. To charge your unit, plug the battery into a power supply as shown. You will see an amber light flashing on the plug to indicate that the battery is charging. Disconnect the hose from the head top by removing the outer end cap, outer clear washer, and inner clear washer as shown. If chemical filters are required, you will need to attach filter adapters to your blower unit. First, remove the locking pins using a solid flat edge such as a knife, key or coin. Detach the blanking plates, attach the adapter and reattach the locking pin to secure. You will need to do this on both sides of the unit. Whenever you use chemical filters, you will need to attach 3 filters of the same kind to the blower unit as shown. Please ensure that all 3 filters are the same type and suitable for the environment the kit will be used in. Once assembled, attach the flow test unit and power on to test that the kit is working correctly. To remove the filter adapters, you will need to reverse the process. remove the locking pins and detach the adapters. Attach the blanking plates and reattach the locking pins to secure. For more information, please call us on 01933 672 180, email us on info@fullsupporthealthcare.com or visit our website www.fullsupporthealthcare.com. Thank you.